WPSY streaming. Hello, this is Barbara, 28. Do you hear me? Hello? Am I on? You are. I'm scared. I'm still trying, though. What can I do? Of course you're scared. You have shaky legs. The foundation rocks. Be calm, Barbara. I was wondering, that's all. Barbara, wonder is good. Just don't forget the strengths you've acquired in these years of therapy. Can you say 3 things you've learned? I am that I am is 1. My mistakes are no different than the president's or the Pope is a 2nd. And a 3rd, take 2 Valium, 1 on rising and 1 in the dead of night. Good for you, Barbara. Just don't forget your inner light. You're next on WPSY. Hello, I am Chris. I am 44. I am in a potential extramarital affair. I need help with the anxiety I'm sure to encounter there. Help me, please. How can I prepare? Walk into the anxiety itself, Chris, and observe your heart. Massage it gently and work on its feelings. Feelings are all. The heart is all. Do you understand, Chris? Doctor, thank you. Listen, I saw you on the morning show, and you're quite a... Good afternoon. You're next on WPSY. Hello, I am Teresa, age 38. I don't know what to do. I am alone in the dark and crying all the time. I cannot keep the flood back. I understand your grief, Teresa. I have been in the dark myself and say, let your grief out into the common light of day. You're next on WPSY. Is it Alan? Yes, I am Alan, age 70. I talk and talk, but we still have a communications problem. She refuses to see her mistakes when I point them out to her. Do you love her, Alan? Do you cherish and honor her? Is there enough foreplay, or are you just another selfish male intent only on your own excited itch? Think it over. You're next on WPSY. Hello, this is Margaret, age 45. I want to be emotionally available. Hello, this is Robert, 22. Do you hear me? Hello, this is Dick, age 54, and life is not what I expected. Hello, this is Jane, age 54, and my dog Spot died, and I am suicidal. Hello, hello.